it like a pro. That dripping faucet. All it takes is an adjustable wrench and a hex key. Turn off the water supply underneath the sink. Use your hex key to remove the handle. Loosen and remove the nut. Remove the cartridge. Extract the rubber washer and spring. Now it's time to go to the hardware store. Head to the faucet repair section. You will need to compare your cartridge to find a match, or you can buy a repair kit with rubber O-ring, gasket, and spring kit. Now it's time to install the new spring and gasket in their place. Insert the new cartridge, reinstall the packing nut and tighten it securely. Reattach the handle and turn back on the water. Check to make sure there is no drip. There